Hello friends, today I have to work a lot because I have invited all my truck driver friends for dinner, and today my husband is also not with me. It's okay, I have gained so much experience while driving the truck that along with driving, I will also be able to prepare food. You guys just quickly like and subscribe the video so that I get motivation. See, after covering some distance, our food is ready. Come all our gluttonous friends, eat the food, it is ready. And see with how much joy they are eating it. They have no idea that with how much difficulty we prepared it.